Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwenokwodin, they send message to Emmanuel Agbogun. He say make Emmanuel stop to spoil his name for social media. If street light no dey Edo State, no be him be the governor wey suppose put the street light. Make I leave you, make you hear the message wey Comrade Stanley Osaze get for Emmanuel Agbogun. Enjoy the video.
The use of media to get at me, although majority of persons may not really understand what's actually happening in the heart. Of course, I do not have any issues with him. Believe you me, I was shocked to see a media onslaught, an attack on my person, even when I have no personal issues with him. But I think it is proper for us to set the matter straight and to make the entire world understand the rudiments of what is actually going on. I think it's better for us to really enlighten ourselves so that we understand what it really means. Please, if you have not shared, share this video and invite your friend. Please, I beg of you, click on your share button. I think it is very important for us to actually sensitize ourselves in a normal democratic setting. In a normal democratic setting, you have the ruling party and the opposition. Now, on a daily basis, Emmanuel Agbogun tries to pull me out from my hiding, because God knows that I always try to maintain peace with everyone and to maintain decorum. And as I've earlier said, to me, election is over. Those in various party divide should be friends, because nobody knows tomorrow. And when it comes to the issue of my job, nobody has ever called me to say, I'm giving you this job because I'm APC, I'm giving you this job because I'm PDP. Every person gives me their job on the basis of track record and return in terms of dispensing or good service delivery, as the case may be. But I begin to wonder why on a daily basis Emmanuel Agbogun continue to mention my name. Yes, we all supported the government of the day, why he chooses to support the opposition. Now, I want to state this clearly. If you support opposition, your duty as an opposition member is to always come online or use every available opportunity to criticize the government. It is your duty. If we want to criticize the government, if we choose to criticize the government, we will not come to the media space to say, I want to tell you now, Obaseki. No. As member of the ruling party, if there are disagreements, that is why you are seeing governments. Obasanjo, except when he's now having negative issues with the federal government under the Jonathan dispensation, when there are disagreements, you now see him coming out with an open letter. Ordinarily, you are supposed to communicate to your government directly to say, Your Excellency, because we speak today, for the fact that we are being called upon, most of those in the diaspora who supported Obaseki on the basis of the fact that we show the real situation on ground. At least our integrity is still at stake as well. So it is our collective responsibility to ensure that the government perform tremendously well, because we will not want to be at the receiving end. So definitely, if we want to communicate with the governor, we use every available opportunity outside the media space to do that. Why members of the opposition is supposed to use both the media and everything to ask, what is the goal and objective of an opposition party? You cannot, we need to really know exactly where we stand. Don't tell me that you are supporting, that you are a member. Let us know. There is no taking or any occultic activity in political activities. When you are supporting Mr. A, eventually Don't come out to say I'm supporting you because I like you. No. Eventually, if Mr. A, because under the Nigerian constitution, there's nothing like independent candidate. Independent candidates have no right whatsoever to win elections. It is purely embedded in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. You must run under a political party. So if Osakwinokwodim is running under PDP and you are supporting me and you say you are not a PDP man, you are not sincere. So we all have our various political affiliation. Yes, we have a strong romance with the human rights community. In fact, we were one of those who started the human rights issues in Edo State. Fine. But in this case, now, how on earth will you expect us, after fighting to ensure that government comes into power, we will still rush back to the media to begin to castigate this government? Even if we want to do, certainly it must be purely outside, purely outside the media space. So, if Imano Agbogbu on a daily basis is compelling me as Osakwinokwodim to come to the media space, to come to the continue to attack the government, I begin to wonder the plan Imano Agbogbu has for me as a person. Now, how on earth? Let's be sincere to ourselves. Let's be accept these persons are not taking me the way I'm taking them. I try as much as possible to be peaceable with everybody. I always do my best to achieve that. Except they are not taking me. I cannot, and I will not, regardless of party issue, I cannot come to the media to begin to send message to Imano Agbogbu. I can't do it. Not until today. Even the last video I did, I never mentioned his name, but he came back to say Osakwinokwodim said that I, Imano Agbogbu, check the beginning of the video from the beginning of the video to the end. I never mentioned his name, but I tried to set the matter straight. But as of today, I just want to send this clear message to him. My brother, I don't have any issues with you. We are not dragging anything. You have a right as an opposition member to criticize the government, no dispute. But you will not expect me, Osakwinokwodim, to now come out on the media to begin to castigate the government. Even if I have the reservations, of which I have not noticed, and I have the reservations, if I have, I'm going to write an official correspondence to the governor or use appropriate quarters when I know I can have access to the governor when I choose to. Why on earth will I now begin to come to the media to begin to castigate him? If I engage myself in such action, so many places around the world, including the opposition, will be disappointed in Osakwinokwodim. How on earth? Which kind of recommendation? You are calling me out to say, comrade, Osakwinokwodim, you should be speaking, should be come and criticizing. On what ground? You expect me to be playing the role of government at the same time the role of an opposition party? How do you expect me to play those multiple roles at a time? I can't play those roles. I cannot be acting as a government at the same time playing the role of an opposition. You are a member of the opposition party. Even if you openly have refused to agree, fine. I cannot act like you. You cannot act like me. If you are in a party and you are a member of the government and you come out to begin to criticize the government, it is good. But to me, I cannot come out publicly to go and begin to destabilize a government that we all fought for. I can only reach out to the governor through an informal means, separate from the media. And I don't think that anybody can compel me to go and begin to come out on the media to say, if I should try that, the governor and the good people of Edo will be disappointed in Osakwinokwodim. Even the opposition party will be disappointed in me. Criticism is not about coming to the media to begin to shout. How far have you been able to enforce your fight to the end? That is the goal. I want to state this clearly. I have no issues with Imano Agbogbu. In fact, I'm shocked. On a daily basis, when he sees me on the road, Osakwinokwodim enjoy, Osakwinokwodim enjoy. I thought it was a joke. You collect. I saw a video. I saw a post. Although he went to go and pull down the post, he said the governor boys are fighting to secure their fan base. Are you concerned about my fan? In fact, I don't even know my fan. Some persons will call me, they will say, oh, I'm your diehard fan. Thank you. Thank you very much. I am not faking anything. I cannot come out on the media to say a message to Emmanuel Agbogun, message to it. Nobody, I will not say except if that message is positive. I can never, even now as I'm talking to you, I will not castigate Emmanuel Agbogun. But I just want to state this clearly. Bros, we know they drag anything. Leave me for waste. Leave me for waste, bros. Believe me, you know, I can tell you authoritatively that you have to actually tell them the reason behind this altercation. We never have any disagreement. In fact, on a daily basis, when I close from work, I choose to say I want to relax with members of my team. I will not go to any other place apart from Emmanuel Agbogun's bar. Even while we were having big political campaign on ground. I will not go to any place. I must certainly go to Emmanuel Agbogun's bar. I will go to Emmanuel Agbogun's bar with my friends and aides. Let's sit. Because we cannot, a friend of mine cannot be doing this business and I will be going to the next place to go and patronize that, the other person, as against my friend. If I should do that, it therefore means that I'm envious of Emmanuel Agbogun. Emmanuel Agbogun approached me and he told me, this is your full business, you try, you try, I don't do one. I said, very good. He will even call me to say, this one behind the door. I'll say CIB. I will tell him. I'm not going to want to I'll keep saying, why you do this business? And the door, you call the door. No! If they should allow me to do this OC of O in Edo State, I will faint. If you allow me to do the OC of O in Edo State, I will faint. So how on earth will I single-handedly take over a very big venture which everybody can strive? Do you know how many million people have not done CFO? Many are yet to come. How many have I done? So people can be part of it. I will not hide the secret. I will tell you where. Ask him. I'm not lying. Where there are gray areas and he calls me on phone, he always calls me for consultation. I will tell him, sorry, they do CIB. Just for him to as well grow. We must grow collectively. It is only a fool that will say he doesn't want his friend to be a king. If you prevent your friend from being a king, you will not be a friend to a king. This my philosophy. I was surprised to see Emmanuel Agbogun coming out to say am I the governor of Edo State? Am I the governor of Edo State? Is it a crime that I campaign? Will you not blame the father for giving birth to a prodigal son? For an example, it's not as if we have a prodigal son. I'm using this as an example. So because of the fact that a man gave birth to a child, you will not say, oh God, boy, giving birth to the child, see you now, we'll kill you. You campaigned your own and I did mine. Somebody wrote he is angry because you have settled with Abat Obaze. I want to state this clearly. My dear brothers and sisters, many people did not really know what actually happened the last time. Why myself and Abat Obaze were together. I went to a place called the Tavern on a Sunday. I don't tell you lie. For those who know me right from the one, I get time when they call 1759. This is a known time by all members of God's Foundation. 1759 Guinness time. So on a Sunday, and this is Monday to Saturday as we speak now, you see some of my videos coming in again after now. In respect to our work, as we come, so we don't finish one site. Now the next site will go. So you see my people. Now at Monday to Saturday I work. On Sunday I know they use and play. On Sunday I know they use and play. I'll still follow out, enjoy myself, because I made the work. If this life be like cigar, in a way for off. Now there human being rich. So we were at the tavern about trophy with a Stone. I had already called a Stone. More than 3 times a Stone didn't pick. So on a Stone drove in. We didn't even plan it. Alpha. A Stone just walked down to where I am. So Sakwinokodi say, you see us enter here. You lock up now, say, I swear to God I not see you. Check your phone, I don't call you 3 times. Then I say, hey, that's why they conclude. Oh, you check it for 3 missed call. I don't call him. Now he say, you not see your friend. I'm here Abat. When I say, where am? He say, Abat. And I say, now Abat no follow you come. I walk down to meet Abat. The first thing I said, Abat said, so you wait here, you see me, you go sit down. So we at this our social media issue now, don't issue will carry ground. Now Abat say no, he go toilet, go. I see you on the internet, we go toilet. Abat now walk down to where I am. We sat together. We started drinking. So Abat said, Abat and Boston said, today we must spend money for we. Say the drink we want by. We requested for a drink. He said the drink. They said the drink na 70,000 naira. That's me never sabi. I never reach to drink that one. It's too big for me. Now they said, okay, we can later take another one. We sit down, we drink, we enjoy ourselves, relax. After the hey bros, I found a man, you be everybody go. So if I see somebody like Abat or or anybody for street, I'll do like this. No, this is not part of me, and nobody can take guide me. Nobody can tele-guide me. We are right ourselves. I am not against him, and I just want to appeal to his conscience. I have no issues with you, bro. It is not a force that I must act like you. I cannot act like you. You have a way of acting. It is your right. But certainly do not compare me to act. If you want to bomb the governor's head, it's your right as a member of opposition. Do not expect a member of ruling party like me to now come out to castigate the governor on media. Even if I want to criticize, I will have to send him a message. There are so many things you don't know because you are not a member. You think everybody just sit and begin to say hallelujah, hallelujah. The reason why I came out now is to really set this straight. I have no issues with, sir, please. I didn't say get it clearly. I didn't say you should not demand anything from the government. If you want them to confuse the old street light in Edo, begin to say it from now till next week. Certainly, it is part of the process. They will listen to the voice and do it. But please, I did not commit a crime for participating in an election. It is my right to franchise. I have a right to vote and to be voted for. I have a right to adopt and to campaign. I have a right to all this. So my dear brother, don't leave me. I not get fight with you. I not get any fight with you. I not get chance for all this kind of thing. I not get chance. Leave me out of media issue. I told you the last time. You called me and you said, you just see my post about the media now. I want blow the whole media space now. Now that you say, my brother, I don't get time for all those kind of things. I only come for work now. I don't get time for all those kind of things. You only leave me, you only come for work now. No, I was surprised to see you on air. I am not against that. But only came state clearly that opposition party is different from the ruling party. As an opposition party, you must, I repeat, you must fight to ensure that you place government on their toes. In fact, after the elections, I came out publicly to say the videos are there, the documents are there. I said we need to sustain the opposition momentum in Edo, because when there are no opposition, government cannot perform in totality. Now, you cannot tell me that the cry for street lights in Edo have not been heard by government. It has been heard. Certainly things will be done. But I am only saying, do not drag me into media issues. I do not want it. It is not by force to begin to do saga. I have no conflict with anyone. Do not drag me into it, please, sir. I do not want conflict. I am begging. I don't need crisis. I dey beg. I don't want issues at all. If you choose to jump up and down to criticize government or they do it is good. It is good for as long as it is workable. It is okay for you. Jimmy, I don't get issue, bros. I beg you in the name of God. In the name of God. You came to the media this morning. I saw I don't feel look and finish. I just only see one area where you say Osakwena Kwudi said you are envious of him. I did not mention your name. I did not. It is true that I said envious people. Won't deny the fact that we said it. I said it. But I did not say Emmanuel Agbogun. If you now choose to take it to yourself, you be the judge. Nemo Judas in Kasaswa. Nemo Judas in Kasaswa. No man shall be a judge in his own case. Audi Oteran Paten. You must hear directly from the party first before judging. My dear brother, I beg. Not drag me into opposition politics. I am in the ruling party. Play your role as an opposition, while we play our role as members of the ruling party. Please. A man who lived 300 years before Christ, Aristotle once said that politics is the science of collective happiness. Man by nature is a political animal. I am above 18 years. I think I reserve the right to take my decisions. The governor's boys, government boys. I am not a senior special assistant. Now, I am not into any position. In fact, the governor, apart from those that have been appointed, have not been appointed. If I'm being appointed into government office, and you are coming out to say this portfolio has been given to Osakwena Kwudi, and ever since then Osakwena Kwudi have not done anything. Even if you are my friend, I have to tell you, you will be very, very right, because I have been saddled with the responsibility to dispense some certain services through my office, and I refuse. It is your right to criticize me without friendship, without putting into cognizance the relationship that exists between the both of us. But in a case where you have not seen me in any of this, I am busy moving from one bush to another. In fact, I'm just leaving the bush now to another bush as a bushman. You are dragging me out. Except if it is not for politics, you should be bold enough to tell them what is in your mind. Except if not for political reasons or for the betterment of Edo. You're the job. Those talks are irrelevant. I have never said any of this to you. In fact, I take you as my friend. I always come to your house. I never go buy something one day for somewhere. See, I know carry the money come buy for your place. My own brother, you know I'm Destiny. Where I was doing CDA as a vice chairman. You know how many business Destiny bring on when I said through Destiny. But if Destiny store there your own, I will pass Destiny where they give me clients. Then when I see them again, I'll call your store. And I never call your store one day when I spend below 5K. I'll be in your store. And that's everybody will do. Now just recently I choose to withdraw because I just see I'm saying the smell with me, not come out from your mind, bro. I can't call your name on the media now. So if you say you are my friend and you are writing message to Osakwena Kwudi, you just show me say we are only pretending, and I hate pretense. You can come out, your friend, you go to the media and say message to Osakunokudi. Osakunokudi, you can see 24 hours of the day. Haba. Yeah, dinner. Osakunokudi, you go visit 24 hours of the day. If you do like this, you don't see Osakunokudi. There is a message. Government boys, they are drinking whiskey. You carry the picture. It's in this war. Picture, you go video. The video will make that day when we are the Abbas, you snap when the Abbas shake. You snap whiskey when they drink. You say they are drinking expensive whiskey. Is it a crime? Have you ever seen me drinking that kind of whiskey before? All of us sit down. They say, now this one you go buy today. Okay, more buy. Way after. We get joy. We come out. It has become a crime. Government boys, Ebo Stone, Abat, Osakunokudi, Ebo Stone, Abat, Osakunokudi. Now let me say they even bother. They talk. The rest bone. But I just want to set it straight. The goal and objective is simple, bro. I understand. But I will let it out. I will reduce Osakunokudi's followership. I want to hit the media. Make them know. My dear brother, believe me, I don't know how many people really they follow me. Trust me, I don't know. But when they come in, they say, Osakunokudi, we see Baba, we see Baba. Una do well. I greet you now. Thank you. Not be my fault. See, character, I be like waiting close to the song for song. Everybody when they pass, now they see him. Even if they pretend, it will expose itself one day. I was born up and brought up as a drug man. I know if it, you know, I know if you see you senior me now, I say you crazy. I know if you do it. I can't do it. Somebody know you go insult me before I react. Ever since you have been doing all this, I kept mute. Even if you want to follow me, want to do media, you know, you follow me do media issue. That's the truth, but I don't want it. You can't do it with me, oh. I too Sabian. If you think you know something about me, I too know many things about you. I don't get any secrets. I have never killed before. The highest thing when you talk, you say he was a vice chairman, and I rude. And when I was a vice chairman, nobody don't come and tell you say that's why I collect land. And it's not a crime. I was not a vice chairman of community that is not mine. It is my father's community and my community as well. So my brother, I beg you in the name of God. I believe man say what I feel. I feel say you disturb me. You dey popo me. That popo this one beef, you know the way you know. I just beg you, leave me. I not get any issues with you. Play your active role as an opposition politician. Call government to order. Take government on its toe. It is your right. Where necessary, we can come out to say, no, this is what you talk. Not correct. CIB. This is what you talk. You be like saying it says still. Fine. But don't be say Osakunokudi said the rest of them is Osakunokudi. Osioma, best friend. Aba, check out now. Everyone, best friend. Your friend or see you cannot be coming out on the media to say my very very good friend Osakunokudi. Am I your good friend? If I'm your good friend, our discussion will not be on the media. So my very good friend Osakunokudi. We all have our memories. We have ability to think. If peradventure things are told in this format, I will begin to see these negative actions, and you expect us not to use our own brain to think, to say, my brother, I know what they happen. Me know. I know. Even if you choose to pretend about it, you said something that we met at the GIS. When we meet for GIS, even after you do all this work, now maybe if people say, hey, how far, bros? I greet you. I do what I want to do for GIS. As I collect my offer, you ask me, say, you don't get so careful. Now say, relax. You say you don't get so careful. Now say relax. No worry. Now when they talk for us and you waka come. Now say I know if they talk, you they come, I'll change it here they talk. No. I should be able to say what I'm saying. And what the guy said that day, I said, I told you very up to your very face, I'm not talking about your back. I said you are just being envious. Now what did I tell you? Not the media for talking. If you say I come media, I can't talk now say Emmanuel Agbogun is envious. I see you for granted talk. I told you directly, I said you are being envious. Or why on earth will you want to bring me down? My brother, will you drag anything? We are not dragging anything, for God's sake, bro. If peradventure, and the truth of the matter is very simple. At times, as a human being, we not go even know say we self don't fuck up. We not go even know say we self don't fuck up. Well, this is everything we do right. If peradventure I have offended you in the wrong way, Emmanuel Agbogun, forgive me. But I don't tell you like as I did now, I don't fear you. I may not be able to drink a bottle of beer and leave it open where you are. I will be afraid. How can my friend send me message on media? You see they call me your good friend. How? I cannot come to the media and say Emmanuel Agbogun and say my good friend Emmanuel Agbogun. If I want to reach out to you, have we not engaged ourselves in a series of disagreement before? Have you ever seen me on media coming out to say a message to Emmanuel Agbogun? The last time you went to go and post my picture on Facebook a year ago, you see my picture on Abataba's picture. You said this is one of the two most richest Edo youths without no source of income. How many things you don't do me? You don't do. I meet you. I not talk. I tell you, say, why you going to do all this kind of thing to me? The two most richest Edo youths. Have I ever proved riches to you? I still have the screenshot. It's still with me. Despite all this, I not talk. I bone, and you still continue. You have been the one attacking me. The last time, because of me, you were busy attacking the SSG and Senator Zameri. Because of Osakwinokodi. You see, because you see, I said, any small thing they'll say, I say, me don't know. Me don't know. I'll say, I want reach SSG. I want to see SSG. Because of the relationship between myself and the SSG, and the relationship between myself and Senator Zameri, they turned to your punching back, steady on media. You told me that the only reason why you refused to support EJ Agbonaima is because we are supporting Honorable EJ. And you are claiming that I'm your friend. Politics, you have a right to support whoever you wish to support. I am not against that. And every of these things when you do me, I look like a foolish boy to you. That's true. I really look like a foolish boy, because when you do all these things, for me to avoid you, I'll still play with you. I know they can't tell. But it has become a culture that 247, bros, if you know, say, let me tell you, it is good for you to come out plain. If I don't like you, I don't defend you. You know once, I know they laugh with you. So don't be laughing with me, bro. It's clear that you don't like Osakwinokodi. You liked me in the past, but now you don't. So that is the truth. You need to be free. Be free to do whatever you choose to do. It's your right. I won't dispute that. But please, why doing it? Don't manipulate the public. Don't make people to hate Osakwinokodi. Express your true opinion. Tell them why you are really against Osakwinokodi. Don't be saying why is this Osakwinokodi come for street light? Because when you know that when you say street light, they will say, oh really? Street light not very strong. Why does Osakwinokodi not really call? They will not buy into your idea. That is not the goal. The goal is different from what you are preaching. It is not the street light. Am I the governor of the street light? But you want to get that to Osakwinokodi. It is the truth. Am I the governor that will fix street light? People some persons spend over $1 million to support Obaseki in the diaspora. Have you mentioned their name? Have you mentioned their names? Why was Osakwinokodi do this with you? This is what I wrote something on Facebook. I said, friend Mimi. The next day I said, Upoporefe. Sorry, I said, Egiaruwa. And then people concluded by saying, Upoporefe. Amen. Senator Zameri is a philosopher. He's a brain. When he came to my house, He said, my son, we are here. But get it clearly from today, your enemies have increased. Within your friends, you have more enemies now. They may not manifest as I'm here, but certainly they all will begin to manifest. So state it clearly, state the obvious. Not come they say, all I'm demanding, are you demanding them from me? Did I stop you not to demand? I don't get any issue. I openly state this in the presence of the world. Emmanuel Agbogun, if Osakwinokwodim either consciously or unconsciously offended you in any way, forgive me and move on. But bros, I know tell you that I am already afraid. I have to just run, because this thing you don't do and reach more than 15 times. Now me they save our relationship. Now me they save our friendship, because you know they put anything into consideration. You can bash. Now me go say I don't like this guy too. We'll see rest. So it has become a culture. Why will I be pretending when it is obvious that you have resentment, negative one against me in your heart? So bro, I have no issue with you, but believe me, I just needed to be careful. And let me tell you, I will not only come here to begin to say you did this wrong, you did this wrong. You have done so many things for me as well. Where I was the vice chairman of my community, 247, you worked for me, you assisted me. I won't come here now to say because there are little mistakes or little hiccups, I will not forget the whole good part of Emmanuel Agbogun. No. Why this current issues? Why these current issues that is now taking over your heart? Till now, I cannot identify the reasons. So this is the little I have to say. Yes. Yes. Let me conclude this video by stating my brother, my friend, Emmanuel Agbogun, I beg you, if Osakwinokwodim wronged you, forgive me. I'm not your enemy. We were friends before now. Is this Palace Road? Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I am your friend in the past, but you have showed me that you have negative resentment against me. No. Yes, we just picked up a client now that is taking us to site. I am a laborer. So many calls come here since now when I don't fit pick because I am on the video. Because I don't need the distraction. Because at the end of the day, people will come in and go say, wake up. They don't know say how the distraction. Please, bro, I beg, I don't get anything against you. May you say still leave me for waste. I beg you. If you want to criticize Obaseki, carry on. Hello? If you want to say make any that you're right, yes. I beg, but you leave me. I don't get anything against you. Now make me come out of this one. If I wrong you, forgive me. I just did my lane. Thank you. Now me, your brother, your friend, Osakwinokwodim. Bye for now.
Now where you don't hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwinokwodim, let us know what you think for this matter. Go to comment section, make you put your own for there. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.